Hi, day 18. My name is Michelle Quick and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Do some research on mental health. Read about wellness tips and search for ways to maintaining mental health. Actually putting in the time and effort of studying and doing the research about mental wellness maintains active brain and increases the ability for you actually keeping a mental health. It will not only help you, but it will surely also help the people around you. Knowledge is surely the way of reducing and reducing mental health, because when you know more about the triggers, you can also see them before it's too late. So do the research or search for videos like this, how to, or mental health or wellness in some sorts. Also, a good idea is to reach out to the people that actually works with this. Now, I am a mental health coach. A lot of people actually help other people with mental illnesses. So reach out and ask the people that you see sharing knowledge about mental illness or mental wellness and mental health. Maybe you could get them to share some of their knowledge. I know I do. So take care and stay safe and do the research.